Welcome to Formaloo. How much do you understand your existing customers? Do you know your VIPs or the ones who are about to leave? Today, most businesses collect customers' data on scattered platforms and channels. But maybe we just need the best ways to increase profits. Take Formaloo. Instead of being locked into scattered tools, you can now unify the data of those tools. Having a single view of each customer, see which products they love, what they pay for, and how much and how often they can spend. Target the right customers with the right message at the right time. Build audiences and create real-time campaigns without relying on other teams. But it doesn't end there. To enrich your data, you can also directly build forms and surveys on your website for quick and effective results. Overall, Formaloo's range of features gives you access to clear actions you need to take about your customers. So, let's replace the power of an entire data science team with just one easy-to-use tool. Formaloo. Connect, collect, understand. With Formaloo, you can manage any data in your business. Data from projects, customers, employees, events, you name it. It's as simple as a form, but gives you the power of a complete software to work exactly how you want to work. Whether you're teaching a course to your students, organizing an upcoming conference, or selling your products and services, it's easy to organize any data you can imagine. Formaloo provides a single space to collect any data, connect any data source, and understand what your data is telling you. You can even present your data in a fancy live mode. It's not just a form. You can build apps with Formaloo. Apps to do market research, generate leads, sell, and get feedback to improve your business. You're not limited to only your forms. You can connect any app to Formaloo, including your CRM, online shop, or email system. This way, you will unify all your data. Formaloo gives you a single view of your audience, and the result? You'll know who is doing what and when. You can target the right audience with the right message at the right time. Use Formaloo on your own or collaborate with a team to get things done. Formaloo. Connect, collect, understand.